Hello, it's Auret here. Welcome to another video on the Estetino Artist channel where we share all kinds of tips related to growing your creative business. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your Etsy listings or your shop with your social media followers. And you can do this directly from the Etsy app. So if you don't already have this app, it's called Sell on Etsy. And you can easily download this from your Google Play or the Apple Store from your phone. You'll be asked to log into your store, and then once you have it, I have it here on my phone, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to tap on that. And then you want to go to the bottom right corner where it says More, and it has the 3 lines. That's going to bring up your menu. Then go to Marketing, and then go to Social Media. So from this app, you have a few options, and it's kind of nice because Etsy gives you a few recommended types of posts that you could do. So you can see here the first type of post that they are recommending for me to create is to spread the word on our 20% coupon that we recently created. So they have that. If you've maybe created a free shipping offer recently, you might also see that at the top here. You can also create posts on your latest listings that you've uploaded to your Etsy store. So they will show you the most recent listings you've created in your store so that you could choose from them over here and then also share them. And I'll show you exactly how to share a post, one of these posts on social media. I'm just taking you through or walking you through the different types of posts that you have available to you in this app. The next one is kind of similar to the one at the top there. It's sales or promotions. So again, it's showing you different coupons that you might have created in your store. So you'll see different options in your app from what I have here. It's very much customized to your store and the activity that's going on in your store. And also you have the ability to create a post on your latest 5-star reviews. So any customers that have left 5-star reviews, they will take that listing and show them to you right here. You can see here like this one that says cheese. A 5-star review was left by Jen. So you can create a listing on that. You can also create listings on your recent favorites. So if you've favorited something in your with your Etsy account, you can help other sellers by sharing it from here. And then shop updates is something different. It actually allows you to share photos of your products with your Etsy community. So that means whenever you create a shop update, it is shared with people who have favorited your shop, with people who have favorited your listings, as well as previous customers. And I have a separate video on that for you that you could watch. I'll put the link to that in the description below if you want to learn how to create shop updates in your store. So let's take a look now at actually how to create one of these posts. So let's say I want to create a post that shares one of my 5-star reviews that I got from a customer. So I'm going to tap on this listing here. And this is one of the photos that I have in the store. So it already pulls from the photos that you have attached to that listing. And you can see here, you can choose from the photos that you already have. So you can scroll over to the side and select which photo you want to post. You can also choose or take an existing photo right now with your camera or choose one from your library. So you can see here when I tap on the camera icon, you can have one of 2 options there. And also if your photos aren't, let's say you're posting on Instagram and your photos aren't square format, then you can also crop. So you see the little crop icon on the bottom left there. I can tap on that and I can tap on the crop icon again and choose the aspect ratio of 1:1 on the bottom there. It's already 1:1, you can see here, but let's say it wasn't. Then you would tap that and it would, create a square for you that is ready to go to be posted on Instagram. Or you can also magnify a certain part of your image. So if you wanted to do something like this and just only have the mug, you could do that too and then hit crop. So You can do some minor editing in here with that crop tool. It's really only about, changing the aspect ratios, also the orientation of the photo. You can switch it around with the bottom left icon there. And then this middle one just gives you very minimal filter features. So I don't typically use those at all, because if I'm posting on, Instagram, I'll use their filters. So once you like the changes you made, you can hit save. And then this is the part where you basically type out your caption. So you can type it out all over here. You can modify it. By default, if you're sharing one of your new listings, it's going to have the title of the listing in there for you. So I might come in here and then change this, or I like the first part of the text, but I could say something like, check out these best Lola ever mugs in our store today. All right, so just something really generic. They will also give you suggested hashtags to use. So these hashtags are being chosen from existing attributes that you might have marked on the listing, or, they have more generic ones like Etsy that you could use here, because when you tap on them, they'll just add them into the post here. So once you have written out your caption, you've chose your photo, what will happen now is you hit share at the top left or top right corner. And then what it's going to do is it's going to copy the caption for you. So you decide whether you want to post it on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. It's totally up to you. But what it will do is it will copy the caption and it will bring in the photo for you. So it won't post in here right away. So once you hit got it, a new window here will come up, and I'm going to choose, let's say I want to post it on Instagram. So you could see here it pulled that part up, and then instead of writing the caption from scratch, I just need to hold down and then get the paste option there, and then it'll paste it in right away automatically with the Etsy listing link for them to check it out. So that is how you do it on Instagram. I'll just show you quickly Facebook. So again, I'm going to hit share. I'm going to hit got it. Let's say I want to post this on Facebook. So it's going to bring the Facebook app up automatically with that image. And again, I'm just tapping and holding down to get that paste option. And, hashtags aren't really relevant on Facebook, so I might delete those. And that's it. And then I can click on next and then post. I can also tag people from here. So it's really simple to use, guys. So let me know what you think, guys. Is this something that you could see yourself using? Does it look pretty easy to do? I would love to hear from you. Please do leave me a comment down below and like this video if you found it helpful. I also have a whole whack load of Etsy tutorials for growing your store. So please do check out those resources that I have for you in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.